All right, you guys, welcome back to part 2. I'm going to do a few more examples here. I'm not going to write them down, okay? Because actually it starts to get a little bit repetitive. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring up my screen, okay? And I'm just going to talk you through maybe 3 more examples on Delta Math, okay? And you can watch me do them. And if you've got any additional questions, you know how to contact me. All right, so let's click here to a new problem. All right, so it says fully simplify -13 y to the fifth times 9x to the third y squared. All right, I'm going to split my screen again. Let me do this really quickly. I'm going to bring up Desmos, so that way you can also see how I can utilize Desmos to, let me pull out Delta Math. Okay. Okay, so you can see how I actually can use Delta Math to do some little multiplication steps. All right, so if I'm looking here at -13 times 9, because I'm going to multiply my numbers first. Well, I do know that it's negative, but what if I don't know what 13 times 9 is? So -13 times 9. And if you look, if you just type in exactly what you're trying to calculate, Delta Math, not Delta Math, Desmos will give you the answer. All right, so -117. All right, now I'm going to put my exponents in alphabetical order, okay? It's not required, but that's how I do it. Okay, so I'm looking here. I've got y to the fifth, I've got x to the third, I've got y squared. Well, I have x to the third. I need that in my answer. I just don't have to combine it with anything. All right, and also a keyboard shortcut, Shift 6 will give you an exponent. So I just retyped x to the third because I have to keep it in the problem. Use my arrow key. Y, all right, and then I'm going to add 5 plus 2, and 5 plus 2 is 7, so Shift 6, 7. All right, and then I'm going to submit my answer. Yes, green check. All right, new problem. All right, so I got -13 times negative, wait, let me read the problem. -13 y to the fourth times -14 x to the third y. All right, so same thing here. I need to multiply. Okay, you can start a new line, okay, and do -13 times -14. So that's positive 182. All right, x, again, I can't add any exponents. So Shift 6, x to the third. And then y, Shift 6. I'm going to add 4 plus, okay? Now, there is no exponent over here, okay? There is no exponent right there. There secretly is, okay? It's what we call an understood 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Submit my answer. Yes. There we go. Okay. All right, let's do one more problem. Oh, good. All right. Love it. Okay, this will be a great example to finish on. All right, so I have x squared y squared times, and in parentheses, -5 x squared y squared. Okay, so you multiply the numbers first. Well, out here, up in front, where there's typically been a number, there is not a number. Again, understood 1. So 1 times -5. So 1 times -5. All right, so -5. All right, x. Oh, fantastic. So I have an x squared here and I have an x squared here. So I'm going to add 2 plus 2. So I get x to the fourth. And then y, I got 2 plus 2. So y to the fourth. Submit my answer. All right, so there is a few more examples on multiplying powers. Reach out to me if you need additional assistance. Good luck, you guys.